What is up, guys? Super Speed Sandwich here, and today we're going to be doing the 5-cheese rigatoni, new and improved. I know, I already made a video on it before, but this is new and improved, so we gotta try it out. First, here we have it frozen. The instructions are cut film to vent. Okay, gotta get a, let's use a fork. This is how we vent. Okay, that should be, yeah, 3 minutes on high. Let's do a few more. We are quite literally venting while doing this. Okay. Put it 3 minutes, I think it said. I don't remember. Now we wait. Okay, it's finally done. Take it out of here. It's like really hot. Holy shit. Fuck. There goes my fingers, I guess. Okay. Stir and recover on 2 minutes on high. Alright, hold on a second. Here I am, about to taste test a frozen noodle. Honestly, I should just eat it how it is right now. It's like not even bad, just a little frozen. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so now we have to plop this dude back in for 2 minutes. And yeah, I had a little bit, just like a little test when I was stirring it. It get like stuck on the fork. So I had some. Wasn't that bad, but for the sake of the review, we're doing it 100%. Instructions, no shortcuts. Gotta wait. Okay, so I just opened the microwave because it beeped. I don't know if you can hear the juice is boiling. It's really hot, so give me a second. Yeah, that was a total two-hander. Time for the reveal. Oh, we can do it one-handed yet. I think we can. Wow. So yeah. Here's the remains that shall go in the can. Got a paper towel here. Wipe our paws off. Here, final product. 360 calories. I don't know if that's like worth half of your day consumption. I don't really care. I'm hungry. So yeah, here is the not cool down, but it's final. We're gonna let this cool for a minute, I guess. So it won't take you a minute. It'll take me a minute. Okay, so I tried a little bit of it, and it's not scalding my mouth. So let's get the table set with our napkin, and let's hope we don't drop this. I'd be pissed. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Here, wipe our hands, and yeah. Now for the review. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I mean, it works. It's not a $1 million meal. You can see it sliding, sloshing around. Okay. I'm gonna stir it around, and yeah, eat it. I don't know what was so new and improved, but it's edible. Is this my dinner at 2:22 p.m.? Yeah. That bite was kind of hot. Yeah. Like, burned my whole chest. Okay. But yeah, would I recommend this to someone
who doesn't know how to cook any food for themselves, yeah. Only eat like one every week, one every month, but it's good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.